Gokyo from Aikido. This is very similar to Ikkyo. The grip's different. This probably has a better application than Ikkyo because we're working with the big Haymaker punches on this one. So, I'll show you my variation of this as well that I kind of adapted just for combat that I started using on my own. I'm here, okay, we're here, all these different techniques. I've been working with my friend Don. He's been showing me all these different techniques about coming here, but I'm here, my elbow down, moving my whole body together, and then same thing, I'm not going to go into the pin, but we have all the different movements here. We have the pressure, we could knee, we could break, we could do all sorts of stuff here. When he's here, now watch my positioning here. Some styles call this the rhino. It's like I'm protected, but look where my arm is. And now we bring him over to Gokyo. We're here, wrist, okay, staying protected, shoulder in front of my face. Dropping, same circular motion, and down. Again, we'll get into the pin in another video. But that is Gokyo. Fantastic combat applications for the big swings.